Great. From the resources section, let's open the file called find and replace. And in this section, we're going to be looking at find and replace as well as how to view our freeze panes, or rather how we're going to use freeze panes. Now, most times in Excel, let's look at this file, and if I select cell A1 and then from my mouse wheel, I'm just going to scroll down, and you can see that this file can become quite huge. And this is mostly the case in real life where you got lots of information on a spreadsheet. So let me scroll back to the top, and sometimes look at what happens when I start scrolling. Can you see that our headings have disappeared? Now, to make sure that our headings remain in place, we're going to freeze our panes. So let's go to select cell A2, and then from the view tab in the window group, can you see there it says freeze panes? And if we click on the drop down list, we're going to select freeze panes again. Look at the line that has appeared now as well. Now if I start scrolling down, look at that, the headings stay at the top. It makes it so much easier for your users to read your file. Now if I want to undo it, I'm going to click on the drop down, and now it says unfreeze panes and the line disappears. I can also, let's select cell C2, and if we go freeze panes again, what I can now do, if I click on freeze panes there, we got a line now that goes to the right and a line that goes to the bottom, even though you can't see it. And now if I scroll down, yes, it's awesome, but now let's go to this scroll bar at the bottom right, and if I go there, oops, look at that. Look how that starts scrolling as well. And this is a very nice feature to be using, especially with large files. In addition to freeze panes, let's just go back and unfreeze these panes. Go back to cell A2, and in the view tab, in the window group, let's freeze them again. A lot of times you also need to find information on Excel very quickly as well. So let's go back to the home tab. And then what we can do there is, if we were now to go and Control F on the keyboard, can you now see there it says there find and replace? So let's say we want to find IPO. We don't really know what everything is, and if you click on find next, can you see there it goes to IPO? We can click on IPO, click on IPO, click on IPO. We can even click on options, and we can then within on the drop down we can say sheet or the workbook. If we select workbook, it will look at all sheets. We can search by rows or columns. We can look in formulas, values, notes or comments. I'm just going to go back and select options to take it away. I can even go and click on replace, and now I want to replace IPO. Let's maybe change IPO to BBB, and now if I click on replace, look what happens. Can you now see that BBB has been changed? If I click on replace again, can you see there that it is replaced? Let's click there on the close. Let's go Control Z and Control Z. So using this function really simplifies finding information on Excel very quickly. In addition to pressing Control F keyboard shortcut to find information, what we can also do is use the command on the ribbon. So let's select A2, and then on the home tab in the editing group, we can see there where it says find and select. And if you click find and select there, we can go find, replace, go to special. Just another way on how to find information on Excel.